Hello, I'm Lyric Montgomery Kinard, and I have a word of encouragement for artists. Often when we show our work to the public, we can get our feelings hurt, sometimes even crushed, if our viewers don't get it, or if, heaven forbid, they don't even like it. Well, what we have to understand is it's not about us. It's about the work and the viewer and the relationship they have. Every viewer comes to our work with their own unique prescription set of lenses that's colored by their experiences, their likes and their dislikes, their memories. So of course they're not going to see the work the same way you do. And isn't that wonderful? Wouldn't it be a boring and even Orwellian world if everybody liked exactly the same thing? So hey artists, go out, create the work that sings to your soul, but then cut the apron strings and let that work speak for itself. Allow your viewers the freedom to experience the work through their own prescription lenses.